Hello friends, let us continue again the shifting property. Okay, so in my last lecture I have covered the shifting property, how you will shift a signal. Suppose there is a signal ut, I have told, so how to shift the signal towards right or towards left. That means suppose you are having ut minus t, so you can plot this in this manner. This is the shifted version of ut. So if this is ut, see here, this is ut, then this is ut minus t. That means it is shifted by an amount of t towards right. So this is your ut minus capital T. This is your ut. Similarly, ut plus capital T. So that means this is your time axis. Here plus means I have told this is your left shifting operation. That means the signal is shifted towards left. Which signal? Ut. Ut is shifted towards left. So now left means definitely it will come to minus t. So this is your ut plus t. Also I have discussed u minus t minus t. Try to understand. Here though minus sign is there, but the shifting is not right shifting, the shifting is left shifting. That means I have told, so you have to make practice so that very quickly you can plot this. So ut minus t, that means shifting is not right, shifting is left, because actually minus t is there. Minus t means imagine folded signal. So minus t folded signal, this minus capital T means you just imagine this is not right shifting, this is left shifting. That means it will come to minus t. Now this is folded signal. Folded signal means after folding the signal shifting towards the left, not towards right. So this is your one, you can say. This is u of minus t minus t. Similarly, you can plot u of minus t plus t. Try to understand. Plus t means plus capital T. So here this is time axis. This is your u of minus t plus capital T. Here just mark folded signal plus. Plus means generally left shifting. In general, here plus means left shifting. But in case of minus t plus t, this is reverse. That means right shifting. It is not left shifting, it is right shifting. That means right shifting means this point definitely t. Right shifting means origin is right. That means this is t. So here just mark folded signal. Folded signal. This is your right shifting operation. Here not left shifting. Plus is not always actually you can say left shifting. In general it is left shifting, but minus t plus capital T. Folded signal may plus. So that means you can imagine this is your right shifting operation. So these things I have covered in my last discussion. Now let us apply this in some different signals. Apply this concept in some different signals. Okay, understood? So see, suppose you are having a signal or let us discuss the simple case del t minus 1, del t plus 1. Okay, now see, del t, you know, this is your time axis, this is your del t, this is your del t. This signal is known as del t, whose area is 1, origin, this is del t. Now try to understand, del t minus 1, this is your time axis. See here, del t minus 1. You have to sketch here. With respect to t, remember it. With respect to t, you are sketching almost all the signals with respect to t. Okay? So t minus t. See, minus sign is for right shifting. So this del t is shifted towards right by an amount of 1. That means here actually 1. Shifted towards right. It was there. It was here previously. Okay? Now shifted towards right by an amount of 1 unit. So therefore this signal will come to this position, this impulse will come to this position. So area is same, area is 1. Okay. Now del t plus t, see here a plus operation means what? Plus means what? Left shifting. I have told left shifting. Left shifting means what you have to do? Left shifting means, so now see, this is minus 1, del plus 1, the impulse function shifted towards left by an amount of 1. That means it will come to minus 1 position. So this is your del of t plus 1. Try to understand. So now this area is 1. Area is 1. Understood? I think there is no problem. Okay. Now in this way you can sketch whatever the signal you have, you can easily sketch the signal. Okay. You can easily sketch the signal. Suppose you are having del of minus t plus 1. Try to understand. Del of minus t plus 1. See here, folded signal minus t plus 1, plus signifies left shifting, but here actually it is right shifting. So that means you just mark this is t minus t plus 1. So minus t plus 1 means this is not actually left shifting, this is right shifting. Interesting. Understood? So now similarly del of minus t minus 1, generally it is right shifted. Generally it is right shifted. But here you have to consider this is left shifting. Left shifting. That means here you will find at minus 1 this del operation is there. Understood? Clear or not? Okay. Now let us discuss actually other functions. Suppose you are having a signal. So many examples I will solve here so that your concept will clear. Suppose xt is a signal which is given a rectangular t. Now you have to sketch x t minus 1 suppose. Then you have to sketch xt plus 1. See, then you have to sketch x minus t minus 1. Then you have to sketch x of minus t plus 1. See, what type of operation you will find? What type of operation you will find? And how you will sketch these operations? Understood? So here rectangular t, a rect t. The first let us plot a rect t. This is time axis. This is your xt. First you have to sketch xt. A rect t. T means what? A rect t by 1. So tau is 1. That means both total width is 1. Here actually minus half to half. Minus half. And this height is what? A. Because amplitude is A. Okay. Now what you will do? So now this signal xt minus 1. Let us discuss this xt minus 1. This signal shifted towards right by an amount of 1. That means this point, the entire signal shifted towards right. This entire shape shifted towards right. This entire figure shifted towards right. Try to understand. What amount? By an amount of 1. That means here 1 by 2 shifted by an amount of 1. So 1 by 2 plus 1. What will happen? This is 1 by 2 plus 1. That means 3 by 2. So that means you just mark here. If you are shifting this point comes to 3 by 2. 3 by 2. Now 0 plus 1, it is 1. This point comes to 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1. That means plus 1 by 2. Here actually it is plus 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Try to understand. That means the entire signal, this signal shifted towards right. Amplitude is the same. Now here this is 1 by 2. This is your 1. Because 0 plus 1, 1. 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2. So this will be the figure. See, this figure shifted towards right by an amount of what? 1 unit. Every point 1 unit will start because shifting towards right. So this is your signal x of t minus 1. Try to understand. Similarly, you can sketch x of t plus 1. So x of t plus 1 means what? Plus means left shifting. The entire signal shifted towards left by an amount of 1 unit. By an amount of 1 unit. That means minus 1 by 2 shifted, this point shifted towards left by an amount of 1 unit. This point shifted towards left by an amount of 1 unit. This point shifted towards left by an amount of 1 unit. What does it mean? Minus 1 by 2, minus 1, because 1 unit left, minus 1, this is minus 3 by 2. So that means here you will find minus 3 by 2. Now this point shifted towards left by an amount of 1, that means this point comes to minus 1. 1 by 2 shifted towards left by an amount of 1, it comes minus 1 by 2 minus 1, because left means minus 1. This is minus 1 by 2. So now here you will find the origin. This is your x of t plus 1. Now the signal will become this. This is A, same height. Understood or not? Okay. So this is your left shifting operation. That means x t minus 1 you have drawn. This is x t plus 1. Now you have already drawn. Now let us discuss x of minus t minus 1. X of minus t minus 1. This is very interesting. Try to understand. How to sketch x of minus t minus 1? See here. X of minus t minus 1. Here actually minus 1 is there, but it is not right shifting because minus t minus 1. That means it signifies left shifting. So now once the signal is folded, try to understand. Folded signal shifted by an amount of 1 unit towards left. See here. What does it mean? It means folded signal shifted by an amount of 1 unit towards left, not right. Here a folded signal comes from your mouse means. Just imagine this minus sign signifies left operation, not actually right operation. Without folding, if a minus sign was not there, not there with t, then this is general case. Minus means right shifting, plus means left shifting. But if minus sign is attached with this t, minus t, that means you just mark this minus sign signifies left shifting rather than right shifting. Okay. So now what you will find, see, this is time axis, this is the signal what you have already drawn for xt, this is minus 1 by 2, this is 1 by 2, this is 0, this is a, this is xt. Now if the signal is folded, let us discuss. First the signal you just fold. It is an easy way to draw the signal quickly. The signal you just make fold the signal. After folding, this side becomes this side becomes this side. That means we are getting same signal in this case. Minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, this is 0, this is a. So this is your x of minus t, try to understand, x of minus t. But what you have to do, x of minus t minus 1, x of minus t minus 1. This means if folded signal shifted towards left, not right. Now this is a shift towards left by an amount of 1 unit. So minus 1 by 2, minus 1, minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2. Understood? So this will come to minus 3 by 2. 0, minus 1. Left shifting, not right shifting. 0, minus 1. This is minus 1. 1 by 2, minus 1. Minus 1 by 2. Now this will be the signal. Try to understand. This will be the signal A. So this is your x of minus t minus 1. Are you understood or not? Understood or not? First fold the signal, then you just shift. And after folding, whatever the shift, this is just reverse. If a minus sign, then left shift. A plus sign, then right shift. This is a beautiful concept. Very quickly you can plot by knowing this knowledge. Understood or not? So this is from judgment. This is a trick you can say. But how to plot exactly, that idea I have provided in the last 2 classes. Understood or not? Okay. So after discussion detail, so I am providing a trick how quickly you can plot actually whatever the question is given to you. Okay. Next see, what you have to do, x of minus t plus 1. See here, this is the time axis. Now x of t plot, that is known to you. This is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. This is origin, this is a, this is x of t. X of t is a rectangular pulse which is given to you. And the width is, total width is 1, t by 1. Total width is 1. So now what you have to do? Then sketch x of minus t. X of minus t becomes same signal because this is even signal, odd signal, that I will discuss later. Now if you put a mirror here, then exact reflection you will find here. Same, minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2, this is a. Now see, now this is the folded signal. This is the folded version of the signal. Now folded signal, see, x of minus t folded signal plus 1. Minus t plus 1. Here plus means generally left shifting, but here you have to make right shifting. Folded signal plus right shifting operation. Folded signal plus right shifting operation. So that means this signal will shift towards right by an amount of what? Here 1 is there, 1 unit. So minus, that means 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. 0 plus 1, 1. Minus 1 by 2 plus 1, 1 by 2. The signal becomes this. This is your x of minus t plus 1. Understood? So whatever the sketch you have, you can easily, whatever the question given to you, you can easily draw the shifted version of the signal, whatever the amount of shifting is given in the question. There is no problem. Understood? Now suppose I am having this question, xt is equal to a triangular, suppose t by suppose 2. No problem. So here actually in place of a, suppose it is given 4. Whatever the question is, doesn't matter. Now suppose you have to sketch x t minus 2, x of t plus 2, x of minus t minus 2, x of minus t plus 2. Very simple. So first plot this xt. So now xt is known to you. This is your xt. So triangular signal, 2 means one side width. So here 2, here minus 2. Now this is the triangular signal. So this amplitude is what? This height is, maximum height is what? 4. This is your xt. Now, 1 by 1 you just plot very quickly. So first you just mark xt minus 2. The entire figure shifting by an amount of 2 towards the right, because minus sign is there. Minus sign in general right shifting operation. Right. That means here just mark right shifting means what you have to do? 2 plus 2. What amount shifting? 2 amount. 2 amount right shifting means plus 2 plus 2, 4. here it is 4, 0 plus 2, here it is 2, minus 2 plus 2, here it is 0, minus plus, that means the signal becomes this, the signal becomes this, here 0, here 2, and the height, whatever the height it was, this is 4, there is no problem. Now this is your x of t minus 2, understood? Now similarly here, next you just make the sketch, x of t plus 2. देखो next question, this is x of t minus 2, x of t plus 2 कैसा? So ये this signal shifting towards left, plus means left shifting by an amount of what? 2 in it. So minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, that means minus 4. Then 0, minus 2, minus 2. Then 2, minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2. That means just mark the signal will become this type of signal you will find. Become this. This is your 4. There is no problem. Understood or not? Understood or not? Next important. X of minus t minus 2. So here actually minus t, minus and attached with t, minus t minus 2. How does case? So minus t means folding. Just imagine folding. Actually minus 2 means general minus sign represented for right shifting, but here it is left shifting. So after folding left shifting, after folding left shifting, after folding left shifting. So how to get the sketch? See, if you fold the signal xt, then you will find same, because this is even this is even signal. So even or later concept I will discuss later, but here just mark this even signal. So here what you will find? Again minus 2, this is 2, then you will find 4. This is x of minus t, there is no problem. Now x of minus t, just mark. Then what you have to do? X of minus t minus 2. Minus sign does not signify right shifting operation here. Here left shifting operation. Now minus 2 minus 4 minus 4. 0 minus 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 0. That means the signal becomes this. This is 4. This is 4. Okay. So now last case is x of minus t plus 2. See, x of minus t plus 2. How to sketch it? Similarly, already folded signal you have got x of minus t. Now plus 2 means what? Generally plus signifies left shifting, but here it is right shifting. Right shifting means this x of minus t, you have to shift towards right. You have to shift towards right. So if you shift, then 2 becomes 4, 2 plus 2 4, then 0 plus 2 2, minus 2 plus 2 0. So this will be the signal. This is your 4. So this is your x of minus t plus 2. Okay. So in this way you can perform shifting operation whatever the signal is given to you. Okay. Thank you.